When it comes to the world of gaming laptops, finding that sweet spot between power and price can often feel like a search for the holy grail. The ASUS TUF F15 2024, a mid-range gaming laptop, could just be the answer you've been questing for. Let's kick things off by talking about power. The ASUS TUF F15 2024 can be outfitted with the latest 13th Gen Intel Core i7 13650HX processor or an AMD Ryzen 9 8945H processor. It's like having a pit crew of hyperactive, caffeinated squirrels under the hood. But what good is all that processing power without a top-notch graphics card? Fear not, the ASUS TUF F15 2024 can be equipped with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 laptop GPU. This GPU brings support for NVIDIA Advanced Optimus and DLSS 3, ensuring your games look as good as they perform. Now let's talk about what you'll actually be looking at. The display. This laptop sports a 15.6-inch 5K 165Hz IPS level panel with G-Sync and FreeSync compatibility. It's like gazing into another world, a world where the only limit is your imagination. When it comes to memory, this laptop can be loaded up with up to 64 GB of DDR5 4800 mHz RAM. That's a lot of room for your games, apps, and files. It's like having a warehouse in your laptop. And for storage, you can choose up to a 2 TB PCIe Gen 4 X4 SSD. That's like having your own personal library of games at your fingertips. The keyboard is backlit and features per-key RGB lighting, turning every keystroke into a light show. The battery life can last up to a 90 WH battery with USB-C power delivery support, keeping you in the game for longer. In terms of connectivity, the ASUS TUF F15 2024 has got you covered. It features a Thunderbolt 4 port, HDMI 2.1, USB-A, RJ45, and a microSD card reader, making it easy to connect all your devices and peripherals. The ASUS TUF F15 2024 comes with Windows 11 Home or Pro pre-installed, ready to go right out of the box. And this isn't just any laptop. It meets MIL-STD 810H standards for durability. That's military-grade toughness in a gaming laptop. In summary, the ASUS TUF F15 2024 is a mid-range gaming laptop that offers a powerful punch for its price. It's got the power to play the latest games, the durability to withstand the rigors of daily use, and the flexibility to upgrade as your needs change. It's not the most powerful gaming laptop on the market, and its display isn't OLED. But for its price, it's a compelling option for both gamers and content creators. So if you're in the market for a gaming laptop that offers power, durability, and value, then the ASUS TUF F15 2024 could be just what you're looking for.